What do you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero?
National hero? No, so I'm not thinking ready for that yet. I'm going to be national zero.
You see, if you love laugh like me, you're going to enjoy the video. So here I know. Just like it from now and go watch the video.
Up in a year. Up in a year. Jump. What 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Blood clot, me can't believe. Not go further than this. Stop that show. No, you don't. I don't have the idea. I just bet some people and say, who can bet me? This is man, I bet 1 million. Never jump it.
I bet for him saying can't jump.
You can't jump it. Me a go bet saying can't jump it. Relax. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1.
Fly over.
1, 2, 3.
Jump.
3, 2, 1.
Jump.
1, 2, 3.
Jump. No, man.
Me not have to ask Christ. J. Ray and nephew involved. Probably Jennifer Brown to JB involved. Probably Hennessy involved. The man can't jump over. Whatever him need to get whatever the cow get. You remember the cow jump over the moon? Yeah, he need to get that.
I'm the king of dancer.
He is lying.
Allow me to tell.
Yeah.
Put some respect for me.
It is what it is. But yeah.
For me, to become who I am today.
Oh, wow.
Me start with world dance. I want new dance. So be fine again.
When Cartel just boss, you know me call can I? Yeah. With a buckle at all, can I? Right? Look man.
Some song you have to listen 10 times. Forget it.
I was to change it, fine tune it so it fit. Love them. Me can just find the mic in the crowd and people sing.
Oh, me figure you for your money when me have my own.
Whatever.
I'm not gonna do a cartel though.
We are talk about, bro.
Me not trust people. Me not gonna do that.
You're just bad man.
You have to know that still, but respect to that.
If you bad man and you like see me, scroll on. That's it.
At this point, I'm a king I dancer. Argument done. Yeah. Me, Los Jackson are the king of the dancer. The two men them fight over one crown will not even exist. A title which is a made up title. You see me I say? But whoever made this, it's funny. Me like it. Me I go subscribe to him thing. Me hope you get a little laugh off of this crazy king thing. Everybody want a piece of the king thing. So me a king.
What do you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero?
National hero? No, so I'm not thinking ready for that yet. I'm going to be national zero. So I have to know what I do. I have to do a whole heap of good things.
Whole heap of good things.
Whole heap of good things to be hero. Hero not just come so. You see, I saw a thing said. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a thing said. National hero for where? For what? Brother, Gaza fans ain't gonna like this. But if Cartel if it on national hero, I must do Palestine. So Uno Cartel can go on a Palestine and give him national hero down there so.
Yeah, and you talk to, watch your who you talk to? Watch pussy you talk to. Watch
Who name so?
now me your name so man. How are the bombardier?
Oh, you get the name there?
Me get that name there? I true me love look when the girl them put.
Oh.
You see me I say? Yeah, I saw a thing said.
So you just take on the name there for yourself?
Yeah, cause some man named Dog, some name Hothead, some name Shutter, some name Killer.
Yeah.
And them something they say better me name watch it.
Watch
Watch it.
Listen, it's a based on his name. We need to watch him. We need to watch him. We need the address, date of birth, real name. Put him on the list so we can watch him. Both in name watch front. Look upon you too.